Hey everybody, Marie from Minard's Leisure World, and today I'm coming to you with a brand new video of a 2022 edition Transcend. Transcend is by Grand Design, and if you have seen this product over the years, it's looking a little different for this 2022 edition. What you are seeing is a laminated fiberglass exterior. So Grand Design, you know, rolling with the punches, seeing some shortages in the RV industry this year, aluminum being one of them, and they decided to build some of the Transcends in the fiberglass, and we're so happy, and we hope they stick with it because it's beautiful. So what you are getting is a laminated wall, aluminum framing, very well insulated. These guys actually laminate their own walls, so ask us about that so we can tell you what a spectacular build process this is. These guys are one of the very few manufacturers that warranties your decals, axles, tires. So let's just kind of keep looking. This model, 321BH, is a bunk house model with one slide. So we're always keen on a lightweight bunk house, meaning bunks in a room. So 4 bunks, 2 bathrooms, 1 big slide, 7,500 pounds. We've got a secondary entrance right here into the master bedroom with the aluminum steps, power awning. Coming on down the side, 2-way water heater, 110 plug-in outside speakers. Main entrance is at the rear here, so that's all good. We'll have a quick peek. Most bunk models, if there's room for it, we're going to put an outside kitchen in, and this one definitely has it. So mini fridge, cooktop, tucked away. You've got a plug in here, some extra storage, and then there's a water port at the very back. Very easy to get at, so you can incorporate that with your kitchen. And also at the back of the trailer, when you're scrolling through the photos, there is a ladder to get up on the roof. On the roof, there is a 165-watt solar panel. So that solar is constantly going to be charging your battery. You do get a charge controller and a battery meter. So why did they do that? Again, shortages, 2-way fridges. So they've gone to a 12-volt fridge, nice and big. Love it. Let's go. Okay, as we enter in this 321BH Transcend, right here at the doorway are all your control buttons right here. And then some little octopus hooks, scroll through the pictures, and a big cubby for storage above and a small one below for shoes. And we'll get into the bunk room in a second, but I want you to see this as well. Behind the large sliding pocket door is another little closet right here for hanging up brooms, things that you want to tuck away and you don't need to show where they are. So Grand Design is great for incorporating large pocket doors. That's how they make it feel like it's such a big trailer. So into the bunkhouse here, we might as well just keep coming. On the left here, you're right, is our half bath. So all the kids' stuff can kind of stay in their own little washroom. We've got a foot flush toilet, some storage underneath the sink, decent countertop space, and a mirror. Just perfect little half bath. If you choose to use it, great, and if not, then it's another little storage cubby. We're packing a lot into this small room. Remember, one slide, so it's keeping it light, 7,500 pounds. We've got 4 bunks. They are L-shaped, and then everywhere there's not a bunk, it's storage. Built-in ladder, 4 large drawers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the other side, we've got 2 open cubbies, so they can put their hoodies or toys, 2 more drawers here, and then a big bank closet for more storage. So they just packed it in here. Love that. And your kids will have a little spot. The best part of this whole room is a solid door. Everybody wants to know about doors versus curtains. This is a door. So let's keep going. Okay, here we are in the main living area. We've got a tri-fold hide-a-bed. So if grandma and grandpa come or another couple comes, this is a nice big bed. The booth dinette has the floating edge table, storage cubbies underneath, and this is going to make to another twin bed if you fill everything else up. We've got the blackout blinds, LED lights, skylight above. It's nice and bright in here. We're going to move right over to the kitchen area. Deep, deep stainless steel sink with the gooseneck faucet. Cabinets, tons of upper cabinets, and not too tall. So, I mean, you can reach them. Good spot for a garbage can, couple more big drawers, big pots and pans store right here underneath. You've got the nice LED lit lighted stove with the glass cook cover, Furrion hood and microwave. Big window right on campsite here too, so you can keep an eye on things. Over to the fridge. So I was going to mention, this is a 12-volt refrigerator. So it looks a little smaller on the front, but it's super deep. This will run safely as you're traveling and constantly work if your battery's hooked up. And the solar panel helps it stay charged. So it is revolutionary. And nice big cubbies underneath. And then over to your entertainment center. The Transcends are still coming with your Furrion Bluetooth stereo and a flat screen TV. This is on a swivel arm that can pull out and angle accordingly. Okay, wonderful, nice big wide opening. We're gonna come through the bathroom to get into the master bedroom. I love a pass-through bathroom because it's twice as big as your standard bath. Lots of cubbies and storage, nice little sink strategically placed, mirror, towel rack, toilet is angled, and then the massive shower right here. I always encourage people to stand in the base of a shower of a Grand Design product. You're gonna really feel where they're putting some of their money. These retractable shower doors have a 3-year warranty on that mechanism. So here we come into the master. This floor plan has a true 60 by 80 queen size bed. It's actually a pretty decent mattress, nice comfortable bedding, and then cubbies and storage all around the bed. Plug-ins on each side. There's a TV mounting spot in here, and the AC is also ducted in here. We're gonna have a quick peek under the bed for the storage. You hear that? Those are beautiful shock arms that'll hold that up as you're digging underneath. And then just have another peek around the corner here. We saw this door from the outside, and some people aren't a fan of it, but you know what? It's an emergency escape exit. If you don't want to use it, you don't need it. But it is a nice, if somebody's showering and you need to grab something out of the bedroom, you could always just sneak in here. If you're in the market for a bunkhouse model that's under 8,000 pounds, with a door that blocks off the kids' room, outside kitchen, definitely give this a look. This is the new Transcend 2022 edition, the 321BH.